So hey there you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to put a dual light effect on your photo inside of Photoshop. Effect layer, go to gradient and angle set it 180 to the right and change its color. Make another one, angle set it 0 to the left, change its color and go to the blending mode, set the color. And same goes to the red one. And that's it for this video now. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you want more informative videos like this. Thank you.